I made a cake for my chickens because I passed the bar exam. However, I don't really eat cake, and because they were there for me during this dark period of my life, we are gonna make it for them. I couldn't have done it without the help of my chickens for keeping my sanity. I found a recipe online, which I will link below, but we are gonna need these ingredients. Let's get into it. The chef hat is coming on, so you know it's serious. We're gonna double the recipe because I'm pretty sure I have what's considered a big flock. But you're gonna need flour, peanut butter, baking powder, raisins, and other fruit of your choice, Greek yogurt, and chicken specific treats. These are Love My Girls veggies and worm treats, and these are grubs, which you can get from Scratch and Peck and save 15% with Cowboy's Little Farm 15 at checkout. First up, 1 cup of flour. Next up, 1 cup of peanut butter because I'm doubling it. This is what happens when you get the healthy peanut butter. Awesome. I'm also just gonna eyeball the peanut butter because I can't be bothered to put it into measuring cups. So we're just gonna do a little bit more of this. Probably hit the 1 cup mark. I hate when the oil is separated. That's probably a cup. Okay, what's next? 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 cup of water. Doesn't this look delicious? Okay. 1/2 cup of raisins. Yum. We did the recipe wrong. We put in raisins a little bit too early. We were over eager, but we're gonna make it work. So we're gonna mix everything and hope that they all combine. This is my first time baking a cake, and it's for chicken, so low stakes.
Don't be like us and preheat too late. Preheat the oven to 350.
Not too bad.
It actually smells so good. There's all the peanut butter. Yeah. That's good.
And now we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes. I love it. I love it. It's gonna be so awesome. I'm gonna let it cool, and then next we are gonna decorate the cake.
Ooh.
Okay, now we're gonna add some Greek yogurt and chicken treats right on top. Chickens love Greek yogurt. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, apparently my dog does as well. Okay, now we've lathered it up with Greek yogurt, and now we're gonna go in with the chicken treats. Perfect.
Congrats, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Here.